So how is iOS 26 beta on iPhone 12? If you have any plans to update to the beta version, then this episode will give you some insight into the overall features and performance. Recently, I have published a video about how is iOS 26 on iPhone 11, the beta version of course, and is it good to buy iPhone 11 in 2025 or not, as Apple iOS 26 compatibility list starts from the iPhone 11 model. Some people may have a question about whether it is good to buy the iPhone 11 or iPhone 12 in 2025 to use it for the next couple of years. So gave a kind of a preview with the upcoming iOS 26 with all those animation effects with the liquid glass design and some suggestions I felt that will help you to decide whether to buy the iPhone 11 and iPhone 12 models or not. We'll leave those videos links in the description and in the first pinned comment. You may check that out if you need it. This iPhone 12 has a 14 Bionic chipset with 4 GB RAM built into it, and this one is kind of a video shot 2 weeks before, before the iOS 26 beta 3 version came out. So this one is running the iOS 26 beta 2. As you can see, the difference with the transparency effect, with the control center is quite high in the beta 2 compared to the beta 1. It is of course increased, but with the beta 3, Apple have gone a little bit more, like another 20 to 30% more to reduce the transparency effect. I have a separate video showing the comparison between the iOS 26 beta 2 and beta 3. We'll leave that link also in the pinned comment. You may check that out if you want to know the difference with the overall liquid glass design and other areas. The Photos app have finally got a good design makeover, but it is not there, with what users were expecting. The complete design makeover is what we need, something similar to the iOS 17. Apple's still working on it, it seems. And as a developer preview installed in this iPhone 12 and in my iPhone 15 Pro Max, I'm continuously submitting the feedback. So if you are also getting a chance to, test the public beta, which is the upcoming public beta version of iOS 26, then don't forget to submit feedback to Apple notifying all these necessary changes that has to be done. It is possible that Apple could listen and fix certain things that users will find it convenient to use with their iPhone and iPad. So within the settings app and anywhere you search, most of the time it kind of hangs and lags, and I can feel the memory related management issue across the system, especially with search feature, and the app's loading time also kind of increased with this iOS 26, and I suspect due to the beta version and the liquid glass design effect is not fully fine-tuned yet. On the older devices, it is putting a lot of pressure on both CPU and memory, so that could be the main reason for such app extra loading time and hiccups across the system when you normally use it. There are some minor design makeovers as said in our previous iOS 26 features related episodes, and the battery performance in this iOS 26 beta and with the latest beta 3 version is surprisingly good. I'm able to get 1 day for my normal usage, but there are considerable amount of battery drain, which makes me to suggest not to install this beta version on your iPhone 12 or on any iPhone. My suggestion is to wait for a couple more betas if you are planning to experience it on your primary device. Otherwise, if you are in a hurry, then you can take a backup of your iPhone and then try it for a week or two and see whether the beta version is okay for you or not. If you have installed the iOS 26 beta on your iPhone 12, 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max, do share your thoughts in the comments below. It may help users to make the decision whether to go for the beta testing or not. With average of 86% battery health, if you're thinking about going for some used iPhone 12 in the market, I think it is still a good buy for average users, and to use it as a secondary iPhone, this iPhone 12 will definitely be a good choice. We'll share more details in our upcoming videos. If you find it useful, don't forget to share it and do subscribe to hear more about iPhone, iPad and Mac related tips and tricks. Thank you and have a wonderful day.